This video was digitized from a reel of silent Super 8mm film. I believe this is a Marine Corps C-130 from VMFA-542. Taking off, you can see the tail letters Whiskey Hotel, which indicate, I think that's from VMFA-542. And this is at Long Than North Airfield. And this is the 335th Assault Helicopter Company, the Cowboys. And you can see the Falcon painted on the front of that Huey gunship there. That's their Falcon platoon, which was the gunship platoon. And then the rest of those Helos are their transporters. And the Cowboys operated out of Bearcat Base, North Vietnam, in Can Tho. And this film belonged to SP5 Robert Podewils. And the film was titled Low Level Flight from Can Tho to On. And you'll see him here in a minute in the air flying low level on that trip, which was two towns or cities in South Vietnam. Yeah, and just a great look at the 335th Assault Helicopter Company. I think that's a look from the back end of that Falcon platoon gunship. And just for some pictures, from still pictures I had from this collection from Robert Podewils. I think he said this was an oil or gas line that exploded there just outside of Bearcat Base here in Can Tho, Vietnam. And then here we are. You're going to take a ride with them from Can Tho to On, and it's going to be exciting when they're just going to be a few feet off the ground, just speeding along here. So enjoy your ride with the 335th Assault Helicopter Company, the Cowboys, Vietnam, 1969. I hope you enjoyed this bit of history. Try to upload military and patriotic videos to my site here, about every other day. And if you're interested in a good read, check out my books at www.edsemler.com.